Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to send a YouTube video with timestamp. Let's play this video live. And now I will forward the video to the 1 minute mark, for example. Now to send this video at this 1 minute mark or timestamp, all you need to do is to pause the video at your desired timestamp and click with the right button of your mouse. Click on it like that and select copy video URL at current time. Now, if I send this video through email like that, I will send it to myself. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. As you can see, now I received this email. If I click on this YouTube link, the video should start at the 1 minute mark. As you can see, this is the 1 minute mark, automatically paused at this time. Now, if I play this video, the video will start at this 1 minute timestamp. And this is how to send a YouTube video with timestamp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.